Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Pandey and welcome to my course Performing Threat Modeling with PASTA Methodology. I'm a security consultant and penetration tester by profession. I hold CISSP and ISO 27001 lead auditor certifications. If you're familiar with threat modeling as an exercise, you would know that threat modeling involves identification of threats and vulnerabilities in context of your applications or your crown jewels. PASTA takes this approach a step forward by combining the time-tested risk assessment methodology and coupling this with the threat modeling exercise. PASTA methodology involves identifying the threats and vulnerabilities along with their impact. We calculate the risk level and plan the treatment of these risks. By the end of this course, you will be able to independently conduct threat modeling on your applications using the PASTA methodology. Before starting this course, you should be familiar and have a high-level understanding of concepts like threat modeling, risk assessment, business impact analysis, penetration testing, and security monitoring. All these topics are covered in great details in different courses of Pluralsight. I hope you'll join me on this course to learn risk-centric threat modeling with this course on Performing Threat Modeling with PASTA Methodology at Pluralsight. Enjoy the course.